Welcome Shemstars. Welcome to the mathematics class. Today we will do lesson 12 quadrilaterals. This lesson has to be covered under AAC, that is alternate academic calendar. So we will be doing an activity, and after the activity I will be telling you about different types of quadrilaterals also. So first let us start with the activity. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Students, it is there on page number 245. So you can open your page number 245 also. Here, the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Students, we have proved in earlier class, in the previous class, in class 5, we have proved that the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Same way as here, we will prove the sum of angles of all the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Students, you can see here, this is the quadrilateral and I have drawn a diagonal AC. Here, this diagonal is dividing this quadrilateral into two triangles. As we know, the sum of all the three angles of one triangle is 180 degree. So here it is 180 degree. Same ways, the sum of all the three angles of another triangle is also 180. So 180 plus 180 is 360. Now let us do it with the activity. See students, now I will take a chart paper or any color paper you can take, and you will cut a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, you know students, quadrilateral means, quadri means 4 and lateral means sides. So any figure having 4 sides is known as quadrilateral. Now I will take a chart paper and then I will draw a diagonal like this. So here I can see two triangles. Now I will cut this and divide this triangle into divide this quadrilateral into two triangles. See students, now I have cut the quadrilateral into two triangles and I have marked all the angles also. Now I will cut all these angles. I will cut all these angles from here like this. I have marked the angles and now I will cut all these angles. See students, now I have cut the angles of from the two triangles and my two triangles will look something like this, and these are the angles that I have cut. Now what I will do is I will arrange all the angles in a circle like this to make it a complete angle, that is of 360 degree. See, now I will adjust these angles to make it 360 degree, that is a complete angle. See students, now I have arranged it. Now it has become a complete circle. Here you can see a complete circle. It means 360 degree. It means the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 360 degree. So you will have to paste this quadrilateral also. This quadrilateral also you will paste, and you will paste this also. Side by side you will paste. First of all, from page number 245 you will write the full explanation. Topic you will give angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Then you will write the full explanation from page number 245, and then after that you will do this activity. I hope it is understood. Now we will learn about types of triangles. There are 6 types of quadrilaterals: parallelogram, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, and kite. First one is parallelogram. In a parallelogram, we can see a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Here we can see the pair AD and BC. AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. Same ways, AB is also equal to CD and BC is also equal to AD. That is, opposite sides are parallel as well as equal. Opposite angles are also equal. Here we can see that angle A and angle C are equal. Same ways, angle B and angle D are also equal. Now second type of quadrilateral is a square. A square is a quadrilateral with all the sides equal. Here there are 4 sides and all the 4 sides are equal. That is, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. And a square is having each angle that is of 90 degree. All the 4 angles are equal as well as they are of 90 degree. That is, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Third one is rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram with each angle equal to 90 degree. And here in a rectangle, opposite pairs are also parallel and equal. Here all the 4 angles, that is angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. And opposite sides are parallel. That is, AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. As well as they are equal also. That is, AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. So, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Next is rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram with all the sides equal. Here all the 4 sides, that is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All the 4 sides are equal. In a square, these angles are of 90 degree. But in rhombus, it is not like that. Rest all the qualities are same. That is, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Here the opposite pairs are AB and CD. So, AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. As well as opposite angles are equal here. That is, angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Next is trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Here we can see ABCD is a trapezium in which opposite pair, that is AD and BC, is parallel. Last one is kite. A kite is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Here adjacent sides are AD and AB. So, these are equal. That is, AB is equal to AD, and in another triangle the adjacent sides are BC and DC. So, we can say that kite is made up of 2 isosceles triangles with the common base BD. Here this one is the first isosceles triangle and this is the second isosceles triangle, and the common base is BD. Students, now you will do the activity in the notebook. That's all for the day, Shem Stars. Thank you. You can drop your queries in the Google Classroom.